I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Calendar with your Workspace account so events sync across devices immediately. Once signed in, set your primary time zone and work hours to avoid cross-zone conflicts. Create a dedicated calendar for your team or project and assign appropriate permissions so collaborators can view or edit. Doing this now prevents double bookings and keeps visibility clear. Make sure to choose sensible default event durations and notification methods. These small choices save time later when you schedule recurring work. You now build events with full details. Add a clear title, invite guests, and attach a Google Meet link or location so everyone knows where to join. Once done, set recurrence rules and add files or agendas to the event so context travels with the invite. Use the Find a Time feature or scheduling tab to compare availability. That avoids back and forth. If you manage calendars, delegate access for assistants or teammates so they can create and modify events on your behalf. This streamlines group scheduling and authority. You finish by confirming notifications and mobile sync so changes appear everywhere. Test by creating a quick event and checking another device. Once done, apply color coding and use agenda or schedule views to validate that everything looks correct across calendars. If something goes wrong, first verify sharing and permission settings, then check event time zones and browser or app cache. Those are common culprits. Finally, make small edits and resend invites to ensure attendees receive updates. This closes the loop and prevents confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.